If you've been browsing for rugged outdoor gear and stumbled upon tripinsolo.com, you might have been drawn in by the aesthetic, rustic-looking bedrolls, knapsacks, oilskin tarps, and all the cool gear that seems perfect for your next wild adventure. At first glance, it gives off the vibe of an authentic, niche store tailored for serious explorers. But as more people start asking, is tripinsolo.com legit or just another sketchy online shop? It's worth taking a closer look before spending your money. While the site is visually appealing and gives off a handcrafted, adventure-ready feel, there are some serious concerns behind the scenes that raise eyebrows. For starters, the phone number listed on the website isn't just unreachable, it shows up on multiple unrelated websites, which is often a tactic used by questionable online stores to appear more credible. Then there's the business address they've listed, which after a quick check, turns out to be a parking lot, not a retail location, office, or even a storage facility. That's a major red flag because any trustworthy store should at least be traceable to a real-world location. And that's not where it ends. There's absolutely no information about who owns or operates the site, no names, no company history, no team bio, not even a basic About Us page that could help build customer trust. In an age where transparency is expected, especially from e-commerce businesses, this kind of silence is more than just an oversight, it can be a warning sign. While tripinsolo.com might not blatantly scream scam, the combination of a fake phone number, a non-existent address, and a complete lack of transparency should definitely make any buyer pause and think twice. There's a growing pattern among questionable online stores where the branding and design are polished, the product photos are slick, but the operational details are murky or flat-out misleading, and Tripinsolo unfortunately seems to fit that pattern. So, is it legit or a scam? The truth is, it sits in a gray area, not proven to be fraudulent but also not doing nearly enough to earn your trust. If you're considering making a purchase, weigh the risks carefully. Look for reviews from real customers, if you can find any, and think about whether it's worth gambling your money on a store that hides behind a stylish facade but refuses to show its face.